Hey, this is Mike for Licked. In this video, I'll show you how to mix audio in Adobe Audition CC. Mixing audio with music is a bit of a challenge, and I'm going to show you how to do it easily right now. So here, I've got some dialogue.
Ladies and gentlemen.
This is a DJ intro, and then over here, I've got a music bed. And it's super loud. So first of all, we're going to go into Multitrack View up here in the top left so we can mix multiple tracks together. So over here, I'm going to put the dialogue track.
Welcome to the whole next level.
And then I'm going to pull in the music track on track number 2 here. Let's zoom in a little bit and focus in on this music. Now, I get asked this all the time. How can I mix 2 tracks together and make them sound reasonable? Let's listen to the volume levels now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
As you can hear, the music's completely obliterating the dialogue, so we're not really mixing the audio levels very well at the moment. First top tip I can give you, select all the audio you're mixing in your multi-track, right-click it, and then you want to look through this menu until you find Match Clip Loudness. What this is going to do is match all of the clips in your multi-track to the same perceived to the ear loudness. Let's stick with -23, the default, and you'll see, yeah, the music has definitely got quieter and the speech is pretty reasonable as well. Now listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the whole...
Now you can still hear the music competing a little bit, but at least the levels are better. At least we have something workable now. So let's move this to a good area where the music kicks in.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to...
So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and on track number 1, I'm going to add a few effects to the effects rack. Firstly, it's going to be amplitude and compression dynamics. I'm going to compress this voiceover, ticking compressor here, and adding on a bit of compression, -20 threshold, and a ratio of, let's go 5:1, some nice heavy compression.
Ladies and
push up the makeup gain a bit.
Welcome to the whole next level.
Already you can hear with a bit of compression, it's starting to really pop the voice out over the music now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We could probably afford to bring that threshold down a bit more, push the ratio up just a tiny bit more.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the whole next level.
Okay, so now the voice is really popping over the music. We're starting to mix that dialogue and mix that music together perfectly using just a few tools. Another thing you can do if the music really is too loud, you can place on little envelope points here and here, and then just fade down the music when the vocals come in.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So now we've got no trouble hearing what is being said. So with a few simple tips in multi-track, like matching the loudness, using some compression on the voice, and even placing in volume envelope points right here on the clip itself, you can already start to mix really well. But that's not all. I want to show you one final tip that's going to blow your mind. And this music, as you can see, goes on way too long. It goes on for about 34 seconds. And our intro ends at around, well, the 14-second mark. Wouldn't it be cool if you could edit that music down to size, mix it with the dialogue, and make it work without having to make lots of edit points yourself? When you can, by right-clicking the music, looking for Remix, enable Remix. This is exclusive to Adobe Audition. Amazing little thing. Once it's analyzed the track, you can then drag this handle in to the size you prefer, like that, and it creates a remix of your music track to the required size for your thing. So that looks pretty perfect. It's made one edit there. Let's listen on solo to that edit. And you wouldn't even notice the edit. Now we've got the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And then at the end,
to DJ Junior.
Perfect ending to your track, all using automated tools and a little bit of machine learning inside Adobe Audition. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And if you'd like to use the track I'm using in the background right now, head over to Licked.